Good morning, students. Today we will study about some important points in polynomial. So you can say it is known if any polynomial a1 x power n plus a2 x power n minus 1 plus a3 x to the power n minus 2 and so on x a power n x power 0. Actually, this is a standard form of a polynomial. You can learn and write. So if any polynomial this has highest power is n, then it will intersect the x-axis at n points. मीन्स किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल की जितनी हाईएस्ट पावर होती है वो एक्स एक्सिस को उतने ही जगह पर इंटरसेक्ट करती है, और एक्स एक्सिस को जितनी जगह पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगी दैट विल इट्स डिग्री. यू कैन से द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल इज इट्स डिग्री. As example, if degree is 1 means highest power on variable is 1 and it will intersect x-axis at one time. And if degree is 2 means highest power on variable is 2, then it intersect x-axis at 2 times. And if the degree is 3 means its highest power on variable is 3, then it intersect x-axis at 3 places. One more important point is how to be find the number of zeros in any given polynomial. So this is your point. Number of zeros of any polynomial, that is equal to number of highest power in variable in the polynomial. Means किसी polynomial में वेरिएबल पर जितनी हाईएस्ट पावर होती है उतने ही उसके नंबर ऑफ जीरोस होते हैं. ओके, सपोज हाईएस्ट पावर इज 3, then the zeros are roots will 3. Okay, so now we will move towards exercise 2.1. Your first question is find the number of zeros of the following graphs. So your first graph is, you are looking, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and it intersect this at y-axis. It is not intersecting the x-axis. Okay, so I have told you if any graph does not intersect, so because it is not intersecting the x-axis, that's why number of zeros will 0. And now second one is, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and you are looking that this is the graph starting from here, this moving and intersecting the y-axis, and here it intersect at x-axis. So it is intersecting x-axis only one point, that's why the number of zeros will 1. Okay, and now we are third point. Your graph is starting from here, intersect x-axis, this point, y, this point, this point. So this graph is intersecting x-axis 3 points, that's why the number of zeros will how much? 3. And again this graph, a curve is starting from here, intersect x-axis at this point and this point. It is intersecting at 2 points, that's why the number of zeros will 2. And this graph is starting from here, intersect x-axis at this point and again at this point, intersecting y-axis and again this x-axis and x-axis. So it is intersecting x-axis at 1, 2, 3, 4 places. That's why the number of zeros will 4. Okay. And now next, the graph is starting from here, it intersecting x-axis at 8 point and again touching at this point y-axis, x-axis. So this means either it is intersecting or touching, both are same. So it is intersecting or touching at 1, 2, 3 places. That's why number of zeros for this graph will 3. I think you can understand how we find the number of zeros when any graph is given. So you can say the number of zeros are solutions or roots of any equations are the number of points on x-axis intersecting by the graph.